This bird is like seriously staring me down. It's a stare off. He's like 5 feet in front of me. He's right there. See? Here's my hand. Here's my feet. Like, there's where this bird is. He is not laying off. He's giving me the hairy eyeball. He wants food. He'll even follow me, even though I chase him. He follows me. He follows me over here. At least with his face he does. Maybe not this time. There's Wade. Wade's like, what are you nerds doing? Why is that little turd looking at my bucket? Oh, here he comes. I feel bad not feeding him, but I can't because he'll beat up Wade and take Wade's food away. Oh, he's right here. He's basically at my feet. I'm kind of scared. This bird's really weird. I could literally about touch him. He's right next to me. Kind of scared for my feet. He's not scared. And he's staring at me. Now he's puffing out up. Trying to look cute. Oh, there he goes. I think that was basically a big F you to me. Wow, Wade, you still love me. You still love me.